Hey guys, so I actually forgot to show you guys how to do power and the extras. So actually I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So for power, you're going to go in events and you're going to put when I receive start game or whatever we did. I think it was start game. Yeah, start game. Whenever I receive start game uh, variables, we're going to make a new variable. We're going to call it power. Okay. So now we got power, the variable. And we're going to set. We're going to show variable power and we're going to set it to 100. Show variable power and set it to 100. Oops, power, okay. And we're just gonna put that right there. Now you're gonna want to show the variable power, and you're gonna want to put it wherever you want it. You can also make like a little icon for it, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. Now I'm gonna put it right under the time. Okay, right under the time. Okay, perfect. So now we're gonna put a forever loop, and forever if else get equals, and we're gonna put up. We're gonna get the variables and we're gonna do cam up slash down. Okay, and now we're gonna put repeat until not. We're gonna get not a not, and then we're not gonna put the not in yet. We're gonna put or. Okay, we're gonna put not cam equals up. We're gonna put the not inside the first or part and put not cam equals up or camera power equals 0. So or power equals 0, just like that. Now this is the functioning power system. We just need to make it where it changes the power down. So we're gonna do change power by -1, and then we're gonna put wait, and then however many seconds you want. I'm gonna put wait 3 seconds because I don't want it to be too hard. And make sure to save the game. Make sure to save, and then there we go. Now we have the full power script, but we're gonna put when I receive night end. When I receive night end, when I receive night end. Oh my. Okay. I forgot to make a new costume. So first, you're actually gonna want to make a new costume or a new sprite, and then you're gonna call this camera or just cam power. Okay, and then you're gonna get all the code that you put in all the code that I put in the intro. You're gonna actually want to put it in the cam power, and then get rid of it from here. Okay. And we're gonna do that, and then just gonna get rid of this because it's already down here in cam power. So now that we have the code right here, we're gonna get this block right here, and we're gonna put in here hide variable cam power, stop all other scripts in the sprite. All other scripts in the sprite. And you can make it where once you run out of power, you get jump scared. By just putting you're gonna make a new. I'm gonna show you how to make a jump scare when you get out of power. So what you're gonna do is when I receive when green flag clicked forever. Actually, no, you're not gonna do when a green flag clicked. You're gonna put when I receive start game forever if else cam power equals 0. Broadcast jump scare. Broadcast jump scare, and then have whoever you want to jump scare you. I'm just gonna put O-Link because that's the first one I saw. And then we're gonna put when green flag clicked, and you're just gonna copy this, except you're gonna take away that, and you should put hide power. And then when I received, you're gonna copy this, and you're gonna put when I receive dead. When I receive dead, and there we go. This is the whole power system. But what you want to do is you're gonna go into the camera button. You're gonna go to the camera button, and what you're gonna do is when this sprite is clicked, you're actually gonna change this right here. Okay. What you're gonna do is if cam power, you're gonna make an if else right here, and you do if cam power equals 0, then you're gonna put this down here at the end. But if power equals 0, it's not gonna do anything, and else it's just gonna do everything else that you need, which is perfect because if cam power equals 0, and the spread is clicked, you're going to copy this, and you're going to put if cam equals up. You're going to put an if thing, an if, just an if, not an if else, and you're going to put it right here if power equals 0. And you're going to put if camera equals up, then broadcast cam down. You're going to get the one for cam down, and you're going to put that in there. So you can't open it, but you can close it. And there we go. We have the whole power system complete, and let me show you how it works. First, let me change the power thing, so it only changes it. It changes the power down every 0.1 second. So whenever we open it, we should instantly go down. So let's start a new game, and we'll see the power is going to show up right here, and it's going to start going down once the game happens. And once we run out, we're going to get jump scared. So let's see. New game, jump scares on. Alright, now let me open the cam. It's going down, as you can see. When it gets all the way down, I'm going to put this down. Just like this. And we get jump scared. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. There we go. And now we have a working power system. So, if you guys ever want to have power, well, now you know how to have it. So have a good day. Leave any comments for what I'm going to do. I think the next game I'm going to do is a top-down dungeon game. So see you guys later.